Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Slime Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative toys for girls aged 10 to 12. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of slime, exploring the top kits that promise endless fun and gooey adventures. We'll be unboxing, testing, and reviewing the best slime kits on the market, so you can find the perfect one to spark your child's imagination and keep them entertained for hours. Number 5. Original Stationery Unicorn Slime Kit. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant kit. It features multicolor, glow-in-the-dark slime and glitter add-ins. This enchanting set is perfect for sparking imagination. Inspire hands-on learning and develop motor skills with this engaging kit. It provides a delightful break from screens, encouraging children to express themselves through imaginative play. This unicorn slime kit is perfect as a holiday gift. It serves as an engaging group activity for festive gatherings. The bulk set allows for shared creative excitement. Specially designed for girls ages 9 to 12, this kit includes diverse components for endless artistic slime creations. It's an ideal unicorn gift, making it a memorable present. Foster self-expression and creativity with this craft kit. It encourages innovation in young artists. It's a wonderful choice for New Year refresh routines, adding sparkle and joy. What we like. This unicorn slime kit is all about sparking creativity. It features glow-in-the-dark slime and glitter add-ins, perfect for girls who love magical themes. If you're looking for a gift that encourages imaginative play and artistic expression, this is the one for you. What people say. Excellent slime kit for kids, neatly packaged. Lots of slime possibilities to keep a child busy. The pigments were absolutely phenomenal when creating the slime, adding the pigments for the galaxy. It literally looked as the picture is on the advertisement. It looks like a very beautiful galaxy. Everything described is exactly what came in the slime kit. My daughter and I had a blast doing slime activities together. Number 4. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit for Girls. This kit sparks creativity in girls aged 8 to 12. It's designed to create toy desserts, making it a perfect gift for preteens. The kit provides a fun and engaging experience. The chocolate-scented slime kit offers a sensory delight. Its vibrant colors and sweet scents make it a great choice for holiday gifts. It ensures memorable festive fun. This DIY craft kit encourages creativity and imagination. Kids can enjoy making unique slime creations during birthday celebrations. It's ideal for ice cream crafts. Foster family bonding with this engaging craft kit. It's perfect for collaborative toy-making activities. The kit enhances teamwork, providing a joyful family experience. Delight young crafters with this sweet treat slime kit. It offers a creative alternative to screen time. As a thoughtful Christmas gift, it provides endless possibilities for imaginative play. What we like. This ice cream slime kit offers a delightful sensory experience with its sweet scents and vibrant colors. It's designed to encourage imaginative play and family bonding. If you like the idea of creating unique slime creations with a fun, themed kit, you should consider this. What people say. The slime is easy to make and the instructions are easy to follow. It comes with everything you need to make slime. The variety of colors and add-ins is great. Number 3. Original Stationery Mini Galaxy Slime Kit. Get ready for a cosmic journey. This kit is perfect for sparking creativity, offering hours of imaginative play with its glow-in-the-dark slime. Make any gathering special. This slime kit is ideal for Halloween and Christmas, turning ordinary celebrations into extraordinary cosmic adventures with its glow-in-the-dark elements. Encourage exploration and problem-solving. This kit provides a screen-free experience that enriches any birthday or holiday celebration, designed for engaging DIY activities. Foster teamwork and tactile engagement. This bulk set is suitable for up to 12 participants, making it an ideal New Year activity and a unique holiday gift. Host exciting events with this kit. It's perfect for creating glow-in-the-dark slime for up to 12 participants, offering a memorable experience for children and adults alike. What we like. The Mini Galaxy Slime Kit is perfect for unleashing creativity with its glow-in-the-dark features. It's designed to encourage imaginative exploration and problem-solving skills. If you are looking for a screen-free activity that enriches any birthday or holiday celebration, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It has so many colors, sparkles, and fun textures to create unique slimes. The instructions are easy to follow, and it keeps my kids entertained for hours. Has so many different add-ons, clay, foam, glitter, color dye, and awesome carrying case. Number 2. Original Stationery Unicorn Slime Kit for Kids. Embark on an enchanting creative journey with this kit, perfect for kids. It includes vibrant materials that make it an ideal holiday gift for girls. Ignite young imaginations with this unicorn craft kit. Designed for ages 7 to 12, it offers a fun experience that blends learning with artistic expression. Elevate your celebrations with this kit, ideal for Christmas craft kits for kids. The vibrant colors and sparkling elements make it perfect for adding a magical touch to holiday gatherings. Delight young artists with this unicorn-themed slime kit, offering endless possibilities for creative play. As a memento of imaginative exploration, it makes a thoughtful holiday gift. Encourage hands-on learning with this comprehensive slime kit. Featuring a variety of components, it inspires endless creativity and fun for kids. What we like. This unicorn slime kit comes with a variety of materials, including clay and glitter, to inspire endless creativity. It's perfect for adding a magical touch to holiday gatherings. If you like the idea of a versatile gift that encourages hands-on learning, you should consider this. What people say. The slime is easy to make. The slime kit comes with everything you need. It comes with a variety of colors and mix-ins. Number 1. Original Stationery Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Kit. Introducing the Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Kit from Original Stationery, perfect for kids aged 7 to 12. This kit is designed to spark creativity, making it an ideal Christmas gift for children who enjoy crafting. Transform any gathering with the neon slime and the included mini UV torch. This set is perfect for holiday craft kits, igniting imaginations during festive celebrations and New Year gatherings. Experiment with various textures and colors using the 24 vibrant slime add-ins, including glow powders. This encourages creativity and hands-on learning, making it a thoughtful gift for any child. Keep your slime creations fresh with the included airtight storage containers. These containers ensure that your holiday craft activities remain enjoyable and ready for the next playtime adventure. Follow the detailed instructions to create stunning glow-in-the-dark slimes with ease. It provides a fun, educational experience, perfect for stocking stuffers and festive fun. What we like. This glow-in-the-dark slime kit offers a vibrant and creative experience with neon colors and a mini UV torch. It also includes airtight storage containers to keep your creations fresh. If you are looking for a fun, educational experience with organized storage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The directions are super easy to follow. They are colorful and have pictures. The slime from this kit turned out much better than it did from some of the other kits that I've purchased. This kit even includes extra resealable bags so that you can save the open glitter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.